Girl, I don't know about you, but this is some bad lighting. This is better. I just really hope nobody pulls into my driveway because they gonna see me beating my face. Hey guys, it's Nicole, and today I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. And I know my skin is kind of wigging out on me, and I'm a little bit tanner, and no, my hands are not dirty. That is self-tanner. Your girl had a little mishap. We're not gonna talk about it, so. But let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing my brows. I'm going to be using a brow primer from Benefit. I love this so much just because I feel like it helps hold the brow product in place. So now I'm going to be taking an angled brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in medium brown, and I'm going to outline my brows, and I'm not going to fill them in with this too much, but I just like to outline the arch and underneath to where it gives it a good dark outline, and I fill it in with the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. So I'm just going to start by drawing a line underneath and on top of my brow, and then I'm going to, I can't speak English. I'm going to go in and I'm going to define my arch. It's a lot easier on this eyebrow than it is the other because I went to Ulta and I didn't go to the one in Knoxville. I went to the one in Savannah because I was down there for a wedding, and I was like, girl, I need my eyebrows waxed ASAP because they be looking like caterpillars. And the girl was like, I got you, but she made them look kind of weird. So in the end, she didn't have me, but it's all good. They were pretty good. They were just meant to have longer tails, I guess. It was weird. But I can work with them, and yeah, you're seeing the whole process of me attempting to do my eyebrows right now. It's a process. Wow, beautiful, Nicole, beautiful. So we're just continuing filling in the brows, and I sped it up here because I realized that I take so long on my eyebrows that it's not even funny. But this is the eyebrow that I have trouble with because it's kind of waxed weird. And now I'm taking my Precisely My Brow and just blending the lines that I made. And now I'm going to go in and fill in a little bit. And yes, I just use my finger to try to get a more precise line on the tail because is there a better way? Please tell me. But yeah, so I'm just going to continue filling in my eyebrows for the next 5 bajillion years. So now I'm taking my Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and I'm going to prime my eyelids before I put any shadow on them using Arbonne's eyeshadow primer. I just really like it because it gives a matte background basically on the eyes. And I'm going to take a blending brush and apply my transition color, which I'm using Chestnut. I'm not sure if I can remember all the shades that I used in this, but I will do my very, very, very best to tell you what shades I am using. So I'm going to blend that into the crease, and I'm going to end up using a lot of this color. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up because it's just me attempting to blend it into the crease. So I'm going in with one of the darker colors. I'm not exactly sure which one it is, like I said, and I'm just patting it on. It's one of the darker shimmery colors, I'm fairly certain, and I'm just trying to create a good background for the colors that I'm going to be using. And once again, I'm just buffing and buffing and buffing and buffing the color out so that it's not harsh and that I have a good background. Now I am taking the red in the palette and I am putting it over the lid, basically trying to make a pinky background because it is a Valentine's Day look. So I'm just going to continue buffing it out as much as I can, and I add a little bit of an orangey color to the crease to try to balance out the fact that I did a really dark transition color that isn't a red. And now I am spraying the NYX setting spray on my brush to get some of the red that I'm going to be putting directly in the center of my eyelid to blend it with 2 other colors. And I learned very quickly that it's going to come off a lot better on the second eye, and then I have to go back in and fix it. So stay tuned for that episode. But I really, really love the colors in this, and it may not look like it's going to come together right now. And in that moment whenever I looked up, I didn't think it was going to either. But trust me, you saw the thumbnail, it slays. So now I'm going in with a very, very, very gold shimmer that is up in the very top left-hand corner of the palette. I thought somebody was in my driveway. I was like, oh crap, they gonna see me putting on some red eyeshadow. But yes. And I know it looks very, very bold right now, well, because it is, but I'm going to end up blending it out, and it's going to look super, super, super pretty. And once I get done with that color, I'm going to take a dark red maroon shimmer and put it on the outside, blend it into the crease with my Urban Decay brush that came in the Smoky palette, I believe. I love this brush so much. I've been using it a lot. And so we just gonna blend and blend and blend until this looks bomb. And now we are just hardcore blending everything out. And now I'm gonna take some Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair Beige, and I'm just basically gonna carve it out and make a line like you would do with tape or whatever. I do it because it makes my eyeshadow look a whole lot better, and it also gives the illusion that I have some sort of wing going on, because I cannot, for the life of me, get a decent wing. I mean, I can, but it takes me about 15 tries. It's not even, it's not cute. So, you know how it is. I was really surprised at how good it turned out. That's what that face was. But I absolutely ended up loving this look, and this is just so easy. Well, I'm talking about like the carving out the wing is a lot easier than just using tape or whatever, because that way you can get it the way you want and you don't have to worry about the tape doing anything weird. So yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit and make sure these are even, and then I'm going to do my foundation off camera, but I'm going to start with my Arbonne primer, putting that all over my face. Now I'm taking my Born This Way foundation in the shade Swan. It would not focus, and I got so annoyed. Oh my gosh. But I'm going to do this off camera just so this video isn't 16 minutes long, which is what it's at right now while I'm editing. So I'm really trying to get it down from that. So here I am with my foundation. Don't you guys like this foundation better? It actually matches my skin, you know. So I'm going to take my Arbonne translucent setting powder and set under my eyes and my nose and my chin. And then I'm going to take a big, big fluffy brush, and I am going to wipe it away. So now I'm taking my Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer, and I don't really bronze a whole lot. I just do enough to add a little bit of color. I don't do a whole lot because I'm not good at it. Now I'm taking a little bit of eyeshadow from my Morphe palette actually, and doing a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of contour. Basically, I put a little itty bitty bit and buff it into oblivion to where you can't really tell it's there, but I did it, so it's there. Now I'm taking my Too Faced Diamond Highlighter that I just got. Oh my god, I love it! It is the bomb. It's like a bluish, purpley, pretty color, and I use way too much of it, and nobody can tell me anything about it. I will wear, literally, I will put my eyebrows and my mascara on, and I will wear highlight. No foundation, no eyeshadow, no nothing. Now I'm putting on this Pillow Plump lip gloss from Soap and Glory. I love the way this look turned out. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I'm going to set my face with the NYX matte finish that my friend Emily got me because I'm running out of my Urban Decay all-nighter spray. And this is the finished look. I love it so much. It turned out so, so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the look. If you did, leave a big old thumbs up and subscribe and comment and do all that great jazz. I hope you all have a super duper great day. Love you guys. Bye.